a little difficult for me to understand कि जो हमारा facial structure है या फिर जो भी हमारे muscles and tissues की alignment है, that is very deep inside our skin. उसको हम कैसे टारगेट कर रहे हैं, उसको हम कैसे रीअरेंज कर रहे हैं?
आपने आज से पहले अपनी कभी लिप की कोई एक्सरसाइज की है?
नो.
आपने कभी अपने लिप को मसाज किया है, या आपको पता भी है लिप की मसल थी और कभी उसको अपने हाथ में लिया है?
नो, ऑनेस्टली नो, आई एम नॉट डन दैट.
आप आज रात को ये करना, अपना फोटो लेना आज सुबह एंड रात का, एंड देन यू विल सी द डिफरेंस.
Looking forward to it actually. Okay. What else can be achieved?
Forehead lines. Yeah, so basically forehead lines create होती है for excessive frowning. Yeah, and ये एक myth भी है जो circulate हो रहा है कि excessive face yoga करोगे तो आपको lines आ जाएंगी, which is not true.
Okay.
In fact, face yoga के साथ आप जो excessive overuse of muscles कर रहे हो, incorrectly हम आपको वो unlearn करवा रहे हैं. For example, if you frown and you create these lines, I'm making you place your hand flat, giving
Okay.
you equal opposite resistance, and then asking you to raise your eyebrows up and down 20 times. आप ये 20 बार करके अगर अपना हाथ उठाओगे and then you'll try to raise, यहाँ पे heaviness होगी.
Oh.
Because slowly and steadily I'm educating you to raise your eyebrows without creating those lines.
Right.
Or if we frown too much and we can't control it, we are using face tape, which is medical grade aesthetic tape,
Okay.
जो physiotherapists भी muscle stress के लिए use करते हैं,
right.
but a little softer because these are tinier muscles, so that you do not create
So
those
it's like
lines.
जैसे हम जानते हैं कि our muscles they have their own memory
Correct.
and they learn how to do certain things. तभी कुछ लोगों का by default एक वो frowning lines आ जाती हैं while they are just not doing anything. या कुछ लोगों की वो tension हमेशा दिखती है face के ऊपर. So their muscles have this memory of shaping up themselves in a certain
stress
way.
and tension all
Yeah.
the time, or clenching your jaw.
Jaw clenching
all
is
the
very
time,
common,
right?
yes.
And वो कहीं ना कहीं फेस पे दिखता है. अब अगर मैं वो मसल स्ट्रेस को रिलीज कर दूं, मसल को काम डाउन कर दूं, तो अपने आप आपका हैप्पी फेस फॉरवर्ड आएगा, आपकी स्किन
Exactly.
हैप्पी लगेगी, डिस्ट्रेस में नहीं लगेगी.
Right. While still having those expressions. You're
Of
not
course.
losing those facial expressions which otherwise happen in surgeries and procedures.
एक्टर्स आज की डेट में फेस योगा कर रहे हैं बिकॉज they don't want the lines. They have to look their best on screen. But अगर उन्होंने ज़्यादा overdue of injectables कर लिया, एक तो immediately सबको पता चल जाता है. Apart from that, कोई role में उनका expression वो नहीं दिखा सकते. They become a little expressionless, right?
Right.
And that's where they're also opting for healthier alternatives of face yoga.
Have you worked with any celebrity?
So I know Malaika is a big fan of our instant filler hydrogel eye patches.
Okay.
She does a lot of face yoga. We in fact did a live together as well. Smriti Irani ji also does a lot of face yoga before her show for depuffing, for lymphatic drainage. Now this name I cannot take, but she's a very, very big heartthrob once upon a time's movie star's sister.
Would you like to throw some hints?
Like a kahona pyar hai type of a hint.
Okay.
So like there is so many who keep coming. Some are comfortable talking about it, others are not.
So slowly and gradually it's getting all the light that it deserves, this field deserves.
Absolutely.
And I believe not too many people in India are still doing it, and you are the one who pioneered into this
Correct.
field. Thank you so much for watching this clip, and if you want to enjoy the entire episode, then you can go to Gunjan Shouts, the link of which is in the description below.